We are SIMRP. That stands for Self-Insured Medical Expense Reimbursement Plan. Significant, again, seems subtle on the surface. I assure
Yeah.
you it's significant when it comes right down to it. So the significance of this for our presentation with employers is twofold up front. Number one, it's IRS compliant. So the tax incentives we utilize to fund the plan through the employee payroll are non-taxable. The employees are not going to have an IRS surprise. This not doesn't create a taxable event. The other
Hmm.
significance is being a SIMRP, it's a universal plan. We can add this on to any medical plan, no matter what kind of medical plan it is, including Medicaid. As long as the employee, we're going to touch on eligibility here in a second, as long as the employee is insured. Actually, let's do that now. So there are three criteria the employees must meet to be eligible for our plan. And now this is dictated by our ERISA guidelines. These are not in-house policies, so they're very black and white. Number one, employees must be W-2.
Yep.
Number two, they must be full-time as defined by the ACA. So not the traditional 40, but they must be 30 hours a week or more, or they're ineligible. And then lastly, they must have a major medical plan in place. Now, on the employer side, the good news is we are not limited in scope by the amount of employees participating on their group plan. Okay. So we don't care where the employee's insured. So if you've got an employer with 1,000 employees, but only 50% are on their plan, well,
Hmm.
the majority are going to be insured somewhere else. Spouse, if they're out of college, they're still on parents, or maybe they go on the ACA website once a year and insure. It doesn't matter. They can be on Medicare, Medicaid. As long as they are insured somewhere, they're eligible for our plan. And the reason for that is IRS. For us to remain compliant in the eyes of the IRS, and more specifically, so the employee does not have a taxable consequence here, we must pair this with an existing major medical plan. Again, we don't care where it comes from. It just has to be one.